A very warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, I share with you how I made this simple yet delicious Ghana beef kebab using hard beef and without grilling. You know, back in the days, you could only get some at parties, weddings, and I think in traffic, and you can't even resist after buying one. So do stick with me if you want to know how this delicious beef suya kebab was made. So in a bowl, I'll add my hard beef, add some white vinegar and lemon juice to help remove any of aroma from the beef. I'll then let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll wash it off camera. All ingredients used are listed in the description box, so do check. In another bowl filled with water, I'll add my skewers, and this method is to prevent the skewers from burning when grilling or when in the oven. Beef is thoroughly washed and already on fire. I'll start by adding some green marinade, add some chili flakes and then some herbs, and I'll proceed and add some beef seasoning, mix and add some salt, and I'll allow it to cook for roughly 15 minutes before adding water. So I'm just allowing the meat to release its own juice and flavor before adding water. And after 15 minutes, I added water and covered it to boil for roughly 20 to 25 minutes while I proceed to the next stage. So I have my bell peppers and onion already prepped and ready. I'll start by cutting the bell pepper into 4 equal parts, and I'll thin and cut into 4 parts as well. If you're still watching, thank you so much. I truly appreciate. Please do not forget to share to others and then subscribe. This is the outcome after cutting. I'll just put them in a bowl and then I'll set aside. I'll cut the onion into 4 equal parts as well, and then I'll thin and cut into three. And this is the outcome after cutting. So I'll just set the onion aside and check on the beef, and it's already done. So I'll just remove them and put them in a plate or a bowl and allow it to cool down. While proceeding to the next stage, in a bowl I'll add some suya, and then I'll add some chili flakes, add some pepper, and I'll add some shrimp seasoning, and I'll mix everything up. And then after mixing, I'll add some oil. Mix everything up again, and this is the outcome and the consistency I want. Yeah, so just as you please. The next stage I would say is one of my favorite because we are done. Yeah, I'll just be arranging the vegetables and beef on the skewers. So as you can see, I started with the onion, followed by the bell pepper, and then the beef. You can also start with the bell pepper before the onion and then the beef. I'll just repeat the same process until everything is done. So if you've watched till this part, thank you so much. I truly appreciate. Please do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe. So this is the outcome after arranging them so beautiful with the colors. In the next stage, I'll just dip the beef in the suya oil, and I'll just brush each part of the beef with the suya, and this is the outcome. So as you can see, I've already lined them up in my baking pan and preheated my oven, and it's gonna be in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes roughly. Just look at the outcome, Charlie. It was so nice. They really enjoyed it, and I made this during the festive season for my guests, and trust me, they finished this within a blink. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.